15 Best Python Frameworks for Data Science in 2024. Python frameworks for data science simplify complex tasks by providing pre-built functionalities, ensuring code reliability and efficiency. Data science has been a dynamic area of research about.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
About understanding and knowledge mined from data. It is one such critical area for almost every industry, and for that, the right kinds of tools and frameworks are required for the processing, analysis, and visualization of data. On the other hand, Python is the choice of most data scientists due to its ease, flexibility, and extensive library availability. Python is a popular choice for data scientists due to its extensive libraries for data manipulation, visualization, machine learning, and deep learning, making it an essential tool in data science. However, this also might be overwhelming because of the number of libraries and systems available. A top Python framework for data science can help to excel in data science endeavors. 15 must-have Python frameworks for data science in 2024. This list of 15 Python frameworks for data science 2024 focuses on their strengths and potential to enhance data science projects, which makes it easy to find the perfect one for your project. 1. NumPy, Foundations for Statistical Computing. NumPy is still the cornerstone of scientific computation in Python. It provides multidimensional arrays, linear algebra operations, and mathematical operations, and is an important foundation for new data science programs. 2. Pandas, Simplified Data Processing. Data manipulation made easy. Pandas build on NumPy with easy-to-use data structures, providing high performance and great flexibility, being ideal for almost any kind of project in tasks of data cleaning, filtering, transformation, and aggregation. 3. Matplotlib and Seaborn, Great Plotting Capabilities. Matplotlib is robust, flexible, and scalable for static, animated, and interactive visualization. Built upon the foundation of Matplotlib, Seaborn is essentially a high-level interface for constructing mathematical models with a high aesthetic focus. 4. Scikit-learn, Machine Learning Made It Easier. Scikit-learn, on the other hand, is an advanced set of machine learning algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, model selection, and dimensionality reduction. Its documentation is very user-friendly and easy to understand, making it best suited for both beginners and experienced data scientists. 5. TensorFlow and PyTorch, Deep Learning Leaders. TensorFlow versus PyTorch, neck and neck in leading the deep learning race. They come with lots of powerful features to help you build, train, and deploy deep learning models. TensorFlow has a low-level API for more control, while PyTorch offers dynamic computational graphs for more flexibility.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.